CVS. Let's look at their nail section. Okay, guys, let's see. Okay, we have the Kiss nails here. These are really pretty, aren't they? Then they have these black ones. Aren't they nice? Those are $8.29. And this is a nice color right here. Matte finish, $8.99. Then these Kiss nails that I was showing you here is $8.99. Aren't they beautiful, guys? And I'm loving the iridescent one. That's $8.99. I'm trying to see if I can find a kit to get my nails, to do my nails, because you can't go to the nail salon now. So here is the dip color powder. That's $7.99. Anyway, the Kiss nails right here are $8.69, and they come with 100 tips. This is $8.69. The full cover. Oh, this is the full cover, and this is the overlap. This is the short square, $8.69. Let's see what else they have. We have the Mega Shine right here, top coat, and that's $7.49. The spray-on base coat, I didn't even know they had a spray-on. That's $8.99. And here's the Gel Shine 3D top coat, $12.99. And you have tweezers, and this is for eyelash. This is No More Fungus, $11.99. No More Mistakes. So this is the manicure cleanup pen, $6.99. Then Problem Cuticle Remover. Okay, so you have the Sally Hansen Hard as Nails, that's $3.99, and the Complete Care nail treatment, 7-in-1 nail treatment, $14.99. So, and here's some more colors here. That's also $5.99. Then you have the gel. Sally Hansen gel colors. So you have all of these, and then these down here. They're pretty, and those are $9.99, guys. Then you have the darker colors over here, also the same price. Beautiful colors. I'm loving the iridescent. Okay. Then you have the clear. This one's called Pure, and I'm not seeing a price, but that's $9.99. Oh, let me look at these colors. Okay, so this is the Sally Hansen Color Therapy. That's $8.99, and they come in all those colors. It's the OPI. That's $10.79, and they come in these colors right here, guys, and they're all the same price, $10.79. Then you have these Orly Breathable. Those are $8.99. And look at these, guys. Aren't these pretty? I love those. This is Paparazzi. Okay, I'm not seeing a price, but I'm loving those colors. Let's see. This is Paparazzi too, but I don't see a price tag. A Mermaid Blender. Isn't that pretty, guys? $6.99. And then they have this kind right here. Blend and Brush Duo, $8.99. Then you have your Sparkle Blender, $5.99. Then you have the makeup brushes, $19.99, and the other blenders. Okay, those range $6.99. And then they have these, the makeup removing wipes, and those are $6.99. Oh, look at these right here. They're shaped like a strawberry, and this one is an avocado. Isn't that adorable? One avocado travel kit, $6.99, and here's the strawberry. That's new. Then this over here, the silicone is shaped like a diamond, $5.99. That is so much fun. The tweezer man over there is, those are pretty expensive, the tweezer man. That's $27.99. Anyway, they have all these kind. And even the mini tweezers, guys, and that's $18.79, and this one is $16.99. So they have these little teeny tiny tweezers. Aren't they adorable? Those are $23.99, guys. And then you have these cuticle cutters, some more mermaid brushes and things. And I can't read the tag, but I think it says $9.99, guys. And the nail clippers. Okay, so let's see what else they have. Okay guys, so right now we're over here where it says Milani, and let's see what they have. So down here they have the palettes, and that's $10.99 for these palettes, guys. Then they have these right here. These are, what is that? The Rose Blush Trio palette. And let's see. So they have the eyeshadow primer. That's $8.19. Then they have the eyeliner pencils and the brow pencils over here. They have the mascaras, and they range $9.99. And then over here they have the brow color. Isn't that nice? And those are $10.79, guys. And then over here you have Milani, and those are eyeliners. Yep. And those are $8.99. And then you have the brushes right here. That's pretty much it for Milani. And then over here we have the Wet n Wild. So let's see, you have the eyeliner for $3.79, $4.39, and what is that? The eyeshadow primer is $5.99. Then you have the eyeliners over here. Look, they're $1.79. They even have it in white. Then you have the liquid lipstick, and that's $5.49. Then you have the matte liquid lipstick, and that's $5.49 also. Okay, then over here you have the liquid liner. That's $5.99. You have the mascara. And they range $3.99. And what's this up here? The $6.29 for the waterproof. Then they have the matte foundation. Is it? No, face primer. Those are $5.99 and $7.99 for the primer serum. And then they have the powder press. Okay, the setting powder, that's $7.99. Then the liquid foundations are $6.59, guys. Okay, so if we come down lower here, let's see. Then you have the highlighting powders, $5.79. And then the contour stick is $5.99. Then over here you have the blush lighter, $6.49. And then you have the blush. And they come in those shades right there. They come in these shades right here, $3.49. And then you have your makeup stick. Those makeup sticks are $4.39. Then down there you have the illuminating palette, and those are $5.79. And these are your matte shimmer bronzer for $5.99. Loving them. These are the ones with the little lips on them, guys. I love these. They're so cute. I would buy it just for the packaging. Then the Mega Slick lipstick, and that's $2.89. So they're pretty reasonable, guys. I've never used them. They're pretty reasonable. Then they have the little makeup carrying case over there. So guys, I thought I'd show you a little bit of what I see here at CVS in the makeup section. Thank you so much for coming with me to CVS and just taking a stroll around the makeup section. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.